I love making our own granola because we just added whatever we felt like. I'm gonna show you guys how we did it. We're gonna be using this banana. Okay, really quick, there's a couple of things. First, I want to apologize for the audio in this video. I was running my pressure counter while I was doing this video and I didn't realize how terrible it sounded until afterwards. And second, I want to introduce you guys into a channel called Singing a New Song by Shayla Marie. She is doing a lot of urban homesteading stuff coming from a real homestead. And she does a lot of herbal stuff, boho type stuff, kids chore charts, which is also available on her Etsy shop, which she also has. And I think that's pretty cool too. So we'll talk about more her channel later on. But first, let's get into the granola recipe. The first step in the granola is to make a paste, and you need oil, like some type of fat, something to sweeten also. So we ended up using honey, coconut oil, and banana, but you can use peanut butter, almond butter, anything you want, maple syrup, molasses, whatever you want. And you can choose to use just oatmeal if you want to, but I found this sprouted quinoa on like a super clearance sale. So I'm gonna put some of that in, as well as some quick cooking oats. I think they're like the minute oats. I'm gonna be using also some macadamia nut. It's ground. I found it on a super good clearance sale as well. And we're gonna be tossing in some chocolate chips. While we're tossing that together, I'm gonna run a quick clip from Shayla's channel for you guys. Looks really nice, right? I love it. She makes everything look so peaceful, and I love the boho style, which is actually what I try to do in my home. And she has some really great gardening tips as well. So if you're into that kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe. And if you like my kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe to me as well. We've taken our liquids, which is our banana, coconut oil, and honey, and we've combined that all together really well. And then we're gonna start putting our dry ingredients together. Again, I apologize for the pressure counter running in the background. So we have about 2 cups of, I think these are like minute cooking oats you want. And we're gonna add, oops.
Oh no!
We're gonna add about a cup also of this sprouted quinoa. I also found this on a really good deal
Oh,
too.
put it inside the tongo?
Yep, put it in there. Okay. All right, we're gonna add about a cup of the macadamia nut.
Oh, the macadamia nut.
Whoa. Perfect. You just add that to the banana.
A chicken nugget! Gonna add it to eater.
Just add it to the banana.
Chicken nugget!
Because it's a little bit more moist than it is dry.
Okay, chicken nugget, chicken nugget!
We're gonna dump this into here and then mix it up. Just pick up, just pick up the whole thing and toss it all in there.
The whole thing. A volcano!
Perfect.
It's a volcano, just see.
Here comes the beast de resistance.
Can I eat one of the chocolates?
Sure.
Stay with me, huh? Okay, then I'm gonna save it later. We can't wait.
Okay, so this just all has to be pretty moist. Wow.
Try just like cheese.
Okay, who can dump the chocolate chips in?
Oh, Mommy. Yeah. Oh, the mole. Yeah, yes.
I think we can add a little bit more of this mac nut too.
Let's see.
Sounds pretty good.
Let's see. Let's see.
I think that looks good. I guess that's what granola is supposed to look like. More or less.
They would like a hacker right?
Alright, so our oven is preheating to 350-ish. Can you help me?
Oh, yes. Let's go.
Okay, try flatten this one out, Quinoa.
I'm just kidding, guys. Just kidding.
Alright, okay, try flatten this one out for me. Make it like, make it like not so fat in some of the places. Perfect, looking good. Let me take this chunk and put it in Yeshi's one. Okay, and these are gonna go into the oven for 20 to 30, 40 minutes, depending on, you know, the thickness and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put these into the oven. Oh yeah. Plus, when I put them into the oven, I'm gonna like toss them around a little bit, for about 10 minutes or so. But the more you toss it around, then the less clumps you have. So try to be a little bit careful about it. Okay, so this is supposed to be turned every little while, maybe like every 10 minutes, but I kind of forgot. Actually got busy. So just, you can see it's kind of like toasting or burning in these little sections. Just kind of trying to move those away from the edges. This one I think looks worse. Okay, I'm going to put that back into the oven now. So here is the final result. Ready to go onto our yogurt. It actually tastes really good. Even the kids like it. The quinoa doesn't have that flavor that it has sometimes. That's like astringent flavor. It doesn't even have that in that. You guys should really give this recipe a try. And also please don't forget to go check out Singing a New Song by Shayla Marie. Her channel is really good. I think you'll really like it. Thank you so much for watching.